Hello and welcome. Giuseppe here, inventor of B-posi+ive. We are glad you're here for the how to maximize your benefits for the B-posi+ive app. This is video number 1. I will be doing others so that way you can get an idea on how to maximize your benefits using B-posi+ive. So let's get going. I just wanted to share my ideas behind B-posi+ive. It's actually designed to have 5 steps: thought, feeling, behavior, results, feedback. These first 3 steps are basically psychology theories right here. And it's considered like a cognitive behavioral model. It's very well known. And then there's 2 pieces that are added on: results and feedback, as far as outcome driven. I'm kind of looking for answers. So let's take a look at this. First of all, when you download the app initially, it's going to ask you to sign up, and you'll see 5 slides. Welcome to B-posi+ive, and then type in your email address and create a password so you can log in and then begin using the app. Now you can skip this feature. You can do that. we would recommend that you sign up so we can help you more. That way we'll have information that will help not only you more, the app more as well. All right? So you have that, and then when you get to the app, the very first slide you'll see is this thought. But you'll see an image, and you'll be able to do 2 things. Now, once you get to it, you type right in it, and you type in your actual what's top of mind thought. Now, scientists believe we have over 60,000 thoughts in our heads. Now, good luck trying to find them all. It's going to take forever. But if you find the one, what we're looking for here is the top of mind. What is on your mind constantly? You can't get it out of your head. That's what we're looking for. Because there's messages there that your mind's telling you. And a lot of times we ignore those. So what we want to do is we don't want to ignore the top of mind. Okay? B-posi+ive is a moment-by-moment app. That's how it works. That's how it maximizes and helps you collect data on yourself. All right? Because B-posi+ive is really a reflection of you. So whenever you use it, make sure you're 100% authentic and 100% genuine, because only that information is going to help you in the long run. All right? So you're going to type in a thought. You could type a thought, top of mind, whatever that is. I just happen to, with this too, I'm overweight. It may have a lot of buttons for a lot of you. Maybe there's no button at all. This is not intended to trigger any buttons. It's just for example. And then right beneath that, we have feeling, right? Now, I might say, I'm annoyed and frustrated about being overweight. But the average person, and the most often when people use B-posi+ive app, they have this sort of thought that doesn't go with the feeling. And then we realized during research what was happening based on the testers' feedback is that they had this thought and they wanted this feeling. So this feeling way out in the future that they like to grasp at some point. So I'm overweight, and their feeling was I'm satisfied. Does that make sense? If you're really, it's just think about that for a minute. How can you be satisfied if you're overweight? Now, if you come to a point where what's the point? I tried everything and it still didn't work. That wouldn't be satisfied. That would be a lot lower on the feeling scale. Okay? It could be somewhere maybe a resentment. Somewhere a lot lower than annoyance. Annoyance is at the top end. And we'll get into the feeling scale in another video. But this is an intro video to help you maximize your usage. Now, once you have your feeling and you agree with it, that's what the app is going to ask you to do. I can tell you all the secrets of the app in this, but this has got a lot of cool functions. But let's say you did this feeling, annoyance and frustration, synonymous, doesn't matter which one you use. goes with this thought and you feel that, yep, that is definitely the right one, right? Then it leads to some kind of behavior. So when these the thought and the feeling agree, they must agree, and then you create behavior. And let's look at some behaviors. Fast food, couch potato, don't care what you eat. Those are just very little. There's usually quite a few more. But for example's sake and simplicity, let's just do that. So you got that. So you have all these three. You have your I'm overweight, I'm annoyed about it, I'm currently doing these things. Now from these three things, you end up having some kind of result, right? Tired all the time, I'm overweight by 30 pounds, my blood pressure's up, pulses are up, HDL is up, LDL, cholesterol, right? And these are just a few, again, these are just physical things that are going on. And then once you have this result, well, how do you resolve that? With feedback. This is where the step most people miss. Well, I got this result. I got this result. Okay, now what? I got this result. What about it? You gonna stop right there? No, you gotta ask the question. The question is, do I want to continue this pattern? And it's yes or no. Or, and what B-positive does, this is we track and look for the top feeling, the average feeling that you feel most of the time. Now, people don't know really what that is. B-positive will help you do that. And there's two ways it does it. I'm not going to tell you what those are. You're going to have to use the app. So once you start tracking this feeling, right? In this case, we already know what it is, annoyance and frustration. You're going to say, what can I do to help alleviate this feeling? What can I do to help me feel a little better? And B-positive app has 6 suggested actions you could potentially take. We would recommend you take your own action, whatever that is, a walk or call a buddy or a girlfriend or go visit somebody that's close to you or whatever. It doesn't matter, whatever suits you. Remember, this is individual. B-positive was designed for the individual. It's not a one-stop shop app that is going to, it's across the board. It's like this for everybody. It's not. And that's what makes it so unique, because it's individual to you. Why? Because you're putting all this data in. You're not putting other people's data. You're putting your data in here and tracking it. No one else's. So you can share it if you want, or you can keep it private, whatever is good for you. So now you say, for instance, okay, I've gone through this process. Now it comes to taking some kind of action, which you will need to take action. Without action, the feeling and the thought won't change. This is the way we're built. We must go do something to kind of interfere or not avoid or escape. We're not avoiding and escape. Those are two different things. You don't want to do that. You want to confront this thought and feeling, especially the feeling. You want to come face to face with it. So maybe by going, like I like going for walks every day. And during this walks, I bring my phone, but I don't turn it on. No headphones. And it helps me kind of clear my mind and think of things. And if there are thoughts and feelings that pop up, I generally can handle them because I'm in that state of mind, right? So it's kind of like that. So whatever action you need to take it. The next step after you take the action is going to ask you, now that you've taken this action, do you feel better or not? And it's yes or, kinda or not really. I mean, if it's a definitive no, you would put no. If it's helped you a little bit, then you would put yes. I mean, if it's like, geez, I didn't get anything out of this. I went I left the area for 2 minutes, I came back, I'm just the same. Well, then you would put no. And what happens is between yeses and nos and the feelings, the thoughts, the date, the time, it tracks all this data for you. And you could see your thought, your feeling, your behavior, and the actions you took, if they worked or not, because the B-positive will tell you that, if it worked or not. So if it worked, well, you may want to continue that if it's in the direction you want to go. Or if it didn't work, it's like, yeah, that didn't kind of work. What could I do to kind of just twist that a little bit, or do something a little different, right? This is getting to know ourselves. And the more you use the app, the more data you start to collect on yourself. And the more the idea, not only the better you'll feel, but you'll just have more clarity. You just will, because you're not fighting all these thoughts and feelings in your head. You're actually, little by little, you're challenging them if they need to be. You know, if you're in a love feeling, well, you don't need to change love. I mean, love is love, right? Or any of the green feelings. So my point is, when you're in the state, it's important to take the action, is what I'm saying, okay? And then, once you're done with that, you can either use the app for something else, or you can continue the path that you were using. Maybe this I'm overweight hit home to you, and you're like, okay, what can I do? And you start making micro adjustments. So at this point, you're just tracking. B-positive is not judgmental or subjective. It's an app that collects your data. You're subjective. You're judgmental. So just be authentic and genuine, and you will be fine. That's the only thing I can tell you, because it's your data that you're putting in the app. So don't if you're trying to fool the app, you're going to fool yourself. So the idea is, it's designed, once you start using it a lot, you'll get faster and faster at it, and you will just be more at peace, because that's what happens with me. Now, I hope it transfers over to you too. So, and this is why we want you to sign up, like when I talked about in the beginning, we want you to sign up, so that way we can hear from you and get information to say, oh, it is doing exactly what we're doing. I mean, based on the testers and the test size, sample size that we had, it's about 80% accurate. Now, that's pretty damn accurate. Oops, pretty darn accurate. All right? So my idea is, behind this, is to help you sort of maximize this. Now, I'll do a couple other videos that I'll upload on my video YouTube channel that you can watch. But this is strictly for the downloading the app right now. And I will also do a step-by-step live video on my phone, and I'll upload that too once I'm ready to do that. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Again, you can, if you need to contact me, you can go to todaysyourday.go@gmail.com, or you can go B-posi+ive.com and fill out the form if you want to do that. And love to hear from you, because the more feedback we can get from our clients, not users, not people, because remember, you're part of a family now. So this is you're part of the B-positive family, right? This is a movement. We want to change the way people think, because right now we kind of know what they're thinking. So I want to be able to kind of like put a dent in that. All right. Well, thank you for listening. Hopefully I entertained you a little bit, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.